Hello everybody!
Farmer in
Good
the
morning,
dell, the
good
farmer in the
afternoon.
dell.
How are you today?
Hi-ho, the
Are
farmer
you
in the
happy?
dell. The farmer takes the
It's
wife,
now
the
time
farmer
for our
takes the wife.
English lesson again.
Hi-ho, the
This is
dairy-o,
Teacher
the
Reuben
farmer takes
saying
the wife.
welcome to our lesson for this week. Let us answer your activity last week. Are you ready? What is number 1? School bag. Where is the half shadow of the school bag? It's here. Next, door. Where is the shadow of the door? Okay, it's here. The next one, box. Okay, it's here. Next, water bottle. Here. Next, clock. Where is the half shadow of the clock? Okay, it's here. Next, umbrella, half shadow. Okay, it's here. Next, xylophone. The next one is fan. And the last one is whiteboard. Okay, this was your activity last week. Let us review your lesson last week. Things around me. What's this? Clock. Very good. It's a clock. Again, it's a clock. It's your turn. Very good. Here is our game for today. Where is the clock? The clock will be hidden behind the doors. Be careful with the tiger. Are you ready? Okay, where is the clock? Choose the door number. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Let's open number 1. Oh no, there's a tiger there. Number 3. Yes, it's behind door number 3. What's this? Again, what's this? Umbrella. Very good. It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. It's your turn. What's this? Very good. Now, where is the umbrella? Are you ready? Okay, where's the umbrella? Number 1, 2, or 3? Let's choose number 2. Yes, it's behind door number 2. What's this? Again, what's this? Xylophone. It's a xylophone. One more time. It's a xylophone. It's your turn. What's this? Very good. Where is the xylophone? Ready? Okay, where's the xylophone now? Choose your door number now. Finish. Let's open number 2. Nope, there's a tiger there. Number 1. Very good. It's in number 1. Here's the next one. What's this? Again, what's this? Car. It's a car. Again, it's a car. Now it's your turn. What's this? It's a car. Very good. Here's our next game. Where's the car? Ready? Okay, where's the car? Is it behind number 1, 2, or 3? Choose your number. Let's open number 2. Very good. What's this? Whiteboard. It's a whiteboard. Again, it's a whiteboard. Now it's your turn. Very good. What's this? Box. It's a box. One more time. It's a box. Now it's your turn. What's this? Very good. What's this? School bag. It's a school bag. Again, it's a school bag. Now it's your turn. What's this? Very good. What's this? Door. It's a door. Again, it's a door. It's your turn. What's this? It's a door. Okay, very good. What's this? Water bottle. Again, it's a water bottle. One more time. It's a water bottle. It's your turn. What's this? Okay, very good. What's this? Fan. It's a fan. One more time. It's a fan. It's your turn. What's this? Very good.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hello kids, our lesson for this week is about farm animals. Here's our lesson for this week. Farm animals. What's this? Again, what's this? Cow. It's a cow. Again, it's a cow. Now it's your turn. What's this? Very good. It's a cow. What's this? Again, what's this? Dog. It's a dog. One more time. It's a dog. Now it's your turn. What's this? It's a dog. Very good. What's this? Sheep. Okay. It's a sheep. Again, it's a sheep. Now it's your turn. What's this? Very good. What's this? Horse. Very good. Again, horse. It's a horse. One more time. It's a horse. Now, answer please. What's this? Very good. What's this? Duck. It's a duck. Again, it's a duck. Now, it's your turn. What's this? Very good. What's this? Again, what's this? Answer please. Goose. Again, goose. It's a goose. One more time. It's a goose. Now, it's your turn. What's this? Answer please. It's a goose. Very good. What's this? Rabbit. Very good. It's a rabbit. Again, it's a rabbit. Now, it's your turn. Answer me please. What's this? Very good. It's a rabbit. What's this? Pig. Very good. It's a pig. Again, it's a pig. Now, it's your turn to answer. What's this? It's a pig. Very good. What's this? Again, what's this? Chicken. Very good. It's a chicken. Again, it's a chicken. It's your turn to answer. What's this? Very good. What's this? Again, what's this? Goat. It's a goat. Again, it's a goat. Now, it's your turn. Answer me please. What's this? It's a goat. Very good. Here is your activity for this week. Match the picture to their shadows. Let us answer number 1 and then you will do the others. Okay, let's connect it to the shadow. Number 1, it's a cow. Where is the half shadow of the cow? Okay, it's here. Then, do the others. This will be your activity for this week.
The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
That's all for today, kids. This is Teacher Reuben saying goodbye. See you again next week. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.